How to hide your reposts on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make your reposts private on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, open up your TikTok. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you can head over to the bottom right corner to your profile. Now right there you should find your reposts, and now if you want to make this reposts private or if you want to hide them, this is how you do it. So the first step is head over to the top right corner, and after you tap on it, simply tap on settings and privacy. After you do that, under the account section you should find the privacy option. After you're on the privacy option, you will see an option that says private account. Now the people who can actually see your reposts are only your followers. So if you want to hide your reposts from other people, you can just turn on your private account, and after you switch, only your followers will be able to see your reposts. And yeah, now you have made your reposts private as well. Now no one other than your followers will be able to see your TikToks, your reposts. So that is how you do it, guys, and that is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.